Your antivirus can be doing its job perfectly and still miss the attack. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about why antivirus isn't enough and how EDR solves this for you. Antivirus is primarily focused on answering one question, which is whether a file or a process is malicious, and modern antivirus is great at answering that question. It's no longer limited to matching known signatures, it also examines how software behaves, and every organization should still be running it. But plenty of attacks never hand anything to catch. Nobody drops any malware. The attacker signs in with a password that works, then just uses the same tools as your IT team, like PowerShell. On their own, a login, an admin tool, and a file transfer all look normal, but just one at a time, each gets approved. EDR looks at the whole sequence instead. It links these events across machines and time, and the pattern shows. When I was investigating, the ones that blended in were the hardest to spot, with no malware, just a login that shouldn't have been there. If you want to see the full EDR breakdown, it's right here. Give it a tap.